Alright, so here's what we'll do. Freddie will manage one pedal, Timothy will manage the other, and I will manage the steering and brakes. What brakes? The brakes on the bike or the brakes that'll be in our bones when we're through? Oh, be quiet and don't be such a wimp. Come on, let's go. Come on, somebody, pedal or something. I'm trying to pedal, but I'm just not going anywhere. Ah! Oh, owie. You numbskulls, the kickstand's up. Huh? Oh, here it is. Should I put it down? Duh! Go. Woohoo! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! This is the life! Oh yeah! Oh, whoa! Ah! Ugh. You jerks! I thought I told you to pedal, not to sit there and enjoy life. Oopsie, I forgot that part. My spine! I'm never gonna walk again. Don't be so melodramatic. Come on, help me pick this thing up. Dogs, what are you doing with my bike? What are you doing with my bike? We were just gonna ride it, but then these fools decided to have some fun and not get serious. I thought I told you that my tricycle from 10 years ago is good enough for you. You guys can't ride this thing. Come on, let's go inside and Timothy, you're cold. Oh, thank you, Wolf Girl. Thank you. I almost died.